Hi there, Mad Scientist Hut channel here again. Please subscribe to the video if you like it, and let's get on with the video. So the other day I was at Lowe's and I came across this drill and impact driver set, and it came with a charger and a battery for 119 bucks. Well, what was really exciting about the tool set was these batteries, the replacement batteries. Lowe's sells these 1.5 amp hour 24 volt batteries for $10 a piece. So as you can see, I bought a few of them. I think I can use these for other projects. So the first thing I'm going to do is design something on the laser cutter so I can actually clip into this mechanism they've designed here with lockout tabs. Okay, so this is what I've cut on the laser cutter out of acrylic. The bottom piece slides right in here. Then the piece that has the lockout tab engagement slides in there. Then the piece that the blades will go into to contact the battery goes up next. So once I've gotten them all cut and stacked up, I super glued them together, and then I super glued the blades that go into the battery here, and then I run wires off of it. So this is the first project I made with it, and what I have here is a DC-DC buck converter that down converts the 24 volts to 5 volts and goes into these USB ports so I can charge my cell phone or run something that's USB powered. And then I have this DC boost converter which runs about 28 volts from the 24 volt battery, which the lithium ion chemistry actually runs around 21 volts when it's actually running, and it runs down to about 18 volts when it still has power in the cells. So that 28 volts that I'm running runs this LED board that I made that actually puts out about 800 lumens of light. So we can turn on, well, first let's check the battery. The battery's full, yeah. First thing we can do is turn on the light. Whoa, that thing's bright. I tested this out. It runs for about 3.5 hours on the battery. And then if I want to run the USB ports, I can run them at the same time as run the light, but for now I just turn off the light. But this switch turns on the USB ports and I could plug in my phone. So I'm going to plug in my phone here. I have the battery screen on so we can see it. And there it is, charging the phone over USB from the lithium ion battery. Well, I hope this video is helpful. I'll probably make these adapters available on the Mad Scientist Hut website if there's any interest in them, and I can send them out. I hope you liked the video. Hope it gives you some ideas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.